Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if you want to turn your words into stunning videos for free, unlimited and watermark free, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how you can use SJinn AI, one of the best text to video AI tools in 2025. So most text to video AIs are expensive or limit how many clips you can create. But SJinn AI gives you unlimited usage and the results look amazing. And it's perfect for YouTube, TikTok or personal projects. So to follow along, you just need a free SJinn AI account, your text idea or script, and an internet connections. So first you can go to the SJinn AI website. In here, SJinn.ai. And then you need to create your free account and login. Click on the login button first, and then here, don't have an account, create one. Click on this. You can use using Google account, or you can also fill in this form. I'm going to just go with my Google account in here, and within seconds your account has been created. So the dashboard is super simple to use, as you guys can see in here. Now you can just enter your script or prompt in the text box in here. For example, I'm going to go with a futuristic city at night with flying cars, cinematic camera style. Now you can you can use the template, or you can just click on this arrow up to generate the video. Or just wait. You'll see the script and also the image of the prompt that you enter. But to create a video, you need to certain credits, so you need to subscribe first, or you can also just download the image first in here. Just click on the image and tap on download. And you can also use another AI tools to make it to turn it into a video. So find the image to video AI tool. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.